My name is Sneham Kashyap. I have completed first level and now I am in second level. I love Abacus because my Jyoti ma'am teach me very well. I live in Uttar Pradesh, Banarasi.
My name is Sia. I am from Tumkur, Bangalore. I have completed first level. So today now I am in second level. I love Abacus.
Okay. So Sneham and Sia, now I'll ask you first level, any double and single digit in 5 rows. So can you both tell quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Add 44, less 9, less 9, less 9. Sneham, answer is
Then 17.
correct. Add 91, less 2, less 5, add 5. Sia, answer is
Ma'am, 89.
very good, Sia. Add 64, less 6, add 5, less 7, add 2. Sneham, answer is
Ma'am, 58.
excellent, Sneham. Add 46, less 4, less 8, add 7, add 1. Sia, answer is
42.
very good, Sia. Add 89, less 6, less 1, add 3, add 1. Sneham, answer is
Ma'am, 86. 86.
correct, Sneham. Add 32, add 5, less 7, less 3. Sia, answer is
27.
very good, Sia. Add 22, less 3, less 3, less 3. Sneham, answer
Ma'am,
is
13. 13.
correct. Add 94, less 6, less 3, add 1, add 7. Answer is here.
Ma'am, answer is 93.
Very good, Sia. Add 78, less 2, less 3, less 7, add 6. Sneham, answer is
Ma'am, 72.
very good, Sneham. Add 36, add 4, less 1, add 6. Sia, answer is
Ma'am, 45.
very good, Sia. Add 9, add 4, add 5, add 6, less 4. Sneham, answer is
Ma'am, 20.
excellent. You both gave all answers correct.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Welcome.